Didn't expect it to work this well.
Well done, Raven. I compiled this wolf scroll to record the 77 strongest werewolves in the world.
All of them combined cannot beat you, Mentor, can they? Since you have the only millennial wolf.
Well, I once believed that, until you, a wolfless boy, surpassed me in 2 decades. You can wield the power of the moon goddess. A unique gift, Raven. Actually, I want you to succeed me as the Lycan King.
Before that, I want to find my family first.
Yes. I found you near Red Claw Pack. This was your only thing. Go ahead, kid. And remember, be cautious about revealing your strength. It may cause chaos. You will become a legend of this era.
Mom, how can I ever find you?
Well, well, little kitty. You're such a runner.
Dirty Rogals. If my food were not poisoned, I could have beaten 10 more of you. This boy, I can't smell his wolf. Hey, you over there! Get out! This place is
Well then, looks like we've got another toy. What a fruitful day.
between us. Don't hurt the innocent.
I can smell more. What are you?
You're too low to know my name.
Those rogues.
And remember, be cautious about revealing your strength. It may cause chaos.
I'm fast on my feet. I just carried you away when they were distracted.
If I hadn't been poisoned, I wouldn't have been pushed around by those rogues. Thank you.
Strange. I've never met this girl before. Why does she feel so familiar?
If my little brother had survived back then, he'd be around this age.
It's getting dark, miss. Let me take you home.
Moon goddess, please protect my son wherever he is.
What did you say? I knew it! You didn't kill that wolfless thing back then.
Marshall,
Wolfless! That's not possible! I'm the strongest alpha of Red Claw! This wolfless thing can't be my son!
please, Marshall. He's just a baby.
Listen, Winslet. Kill him before dawn. Otherwise, I'll have you and Laurie executed as well!
I'm sorry, my child. May the moon goddess protect you. Mummy will always love you.
You defied my order! Leaving behind a wolfless freak? It's a disgrace to the Red Claw family!
He's our son. He carries your blood.
A waste who can awaken even the lowest wolf. He doesn't deserve to be my son. I should have... Miss Laurie is back! She's injured! What?!
Dad, Mom. This young man just saved my life.
My daughter. Are you okay?
Thank you for saving my daughter, young warrior. And your name is?
Raven will do. I'm a wandering carpenter.
A carpenter? How'd you come around here?
I'm here looking for my family, Alpha. 20 years ago, I was abandoned in the nearby woods.
I see. Please stay here in our guest room for now. The Red Claw Pack will do everything we can to help you find your families.
You're so kind. Thank you.
Please follow me.
Weird. I've never met this lady before. How'd I get a feeling of closeness to her?
I made it myself! I was the one who broke the moonstone in half! Marshall, he really is our son!
So he is a useless waste. After 20 years, he's still nothing but a carpenter. He'd have been better off dying back then.
You abandoned him 20 years ago, and now he's come back safe and sound. It's the will of the moon goddess! Can't you just accept him? I have to tell him the truth!
Silence! Not a single word about Raven is to leave this room. Otherwise, I will kill that myself.
Over a decade ago, the Lycan King caught and imprisoned this Hydra here with special chains. All these years, not a single werewolf has been able to get within 3 meters of him. Even Lord Silver, with a century-old wolf in him, only took one of its scales. Hey. There's danger. Look, here comes the wolfless little carpenter. Smells like a human! Carpenter, why not use that little chopping axe, cutting off Hydra's head? Maybe Miss Lori will finally take a shine on you. Let's go.
Hydra? Dare you want to challenge me? Come taste my axe.
Bloodshadow's army is closing in. Pass my order. All the werewolves shall practice much harder from now on. Maintain the highest level of alert.
Yes.
The Hydra? It can't be! Even the top-ranked werewolf on the scroll could only take a single scale from her!
To kill a Hydra, this werewolf's strength must far beyond the scroll.
Anyone capable of this must have a wolf of at least 1,000 years.
Find this guy at any cost!
If he's willing to join Red Claw, soon we'll be invincible in the world.
Mrs. Winslet.
Good morning, Raven. How is it? Are you feeling chill staying here?
Can't be better. Thank you for your concern.
Kid, I found you dressed rather lightly last night, and it's terrible to get our guest cold or something. So I had several outfits rushed overnight.
This is... Lady Winslow, you really don't have to be so kind to me.
By the way, kid, for all these years you haven't had family around. Was your childhood all right? Who took care of you? Is it tough?
My teacher took very good care of me, even though I didn't have a mother. Quite content about it.
That's good. That's good. I kept thinking, without family, what if you'd been bullied?
Don't worry, dear lady. No one could bully me. It's just that I've always missed my family, especially my mother. I want to see her and ask her, why did she leave me like that?
A child is a mother's most precious gift. Your mother must love you. All these years, perhaps she's been crying for you through countless nights, praying for you.
Hope so.
Sorry, forgive my outburst.
Thank you for caring about me so much. Sometimes I think, if only you were my mother.
Raven, I actually...
Today is the last day for Red Claw!
Gomez is vicious, lustful, and addicted to killing.
At just 22, his strength is already close to his father's. Blood shadows.
Blood shadow.
No. I only just reunited with my son. This is not something you should be involved in, kid. A secret passage beneath the castle leads straight into the forest. You must leave now and never come back!
Hey, Marshall, you old dog. You're still alive?
Gomez, Blood Shadow. You come to Red Claw Pack without permission. What do you want?
What do I want? To swallow you whole, of course. This bunch of rash calls itself a pack? Killing you all would be easier than killing a dog.
Raven? Why are you still here? Leave! Now!
Go! This place is dangerous.
What could a mere carpenter do here? Don't hold us back.
Then why is Alpha Marshal standing here doing nothing?
Lori, my girl! Long time no see! You're even prettier than last time. How about being my 24th wife? Since your family's just a pack of castrated little wolves.
Shameless!
Not interested? Then I'll slaughter all of Red Claw today! Every man here will die! As for the women, they'll become my toys! Don't you dare insult Miss Lori! Is this all you Red Clays have? Pathetic! Come water my garden instead!
Huston, that strike. I think I got his weakness.
Huston, you're the Gamma, aren't you? Too scared to move? Looks like the entire Red Claw family is nothing but cowards.
His left leg. His gravity shifts when he attacks. Just as I thought, his left leg isn't steady.
I took the bait.
The weakness in my left leg was a decoy I deliberately set for you.
Damn it!
I need to think of a way to remind them.
I have a bad habit when I chop woods. The axe is too heavy for me.
So after every 3 full power swings, my right hand has to relax for a second before I keep going.
After every 3 strikes, his right hand relaxes. That's it! How did he get Gomez's weakness at a glance? Could it be that he's...
1, 2, 3.
Huston! After every 3 attacks, Gomez's right hand loosens!
Gotta have a try. Right now.
That's my Gamma! Huston, you are the hero of Red Claw!
No wolf gets such mastery in fighting. Raven, who are you?
To honor Huston's achievements, I hereby declare my daughter Lori will be married to him!
Alpha!
Now execute this blood shadow bastard in public. Let his blood and wash away our humiliation! Who dares lay a hand on my son?
shamed our pack. Get out of my sight!
It's Bradley and his executioner blade.
2 Red Claws fought against my son, exhausting him. That's why he got injured. Unfair. So, I'll drain the blood of your entire pack to brew my wine. Except you. I'll let you live. So you can regret every single day why you didn't die today.
Go to hell!
This is the power of the 10th on the scroll.
This is your Gemma? No better than a maid in our pack! Bradley! One more insult and I won't hold back! Not hold back? You! An old-ass alpha? When I flatten Red Claw, your wife and daughter will make perfect toys for me and my son!
Too weak. Even his wolf is unstable.
Yes. Alpha's finally going all out. Blood Shadow is finished.
What is it?
Merciful at last. Alpha Marshal isn't a match for Bradley. He'll lose in 5 seconds.
How'd you say that?
3, 2, 1.
Red Claw, all a pack of worthless dogs. Even their leader falls so easily.
Blood Shadow! Get off Red Claw land! Lorry!
To a little girl like you, I don't need a weapon. Now then, agree to be my and Gomez's slave, and I might let you suffer a little less.
I'd rather die.
Then die.
There's no other choice. I have to fight. Today, I may die here.
Mrs. Winslow.
My child, my son, I am your mother.
The greatest pain of my life was failing to protect you 20 years ago, leaving you alone in that forest to see you again before dying. Knowing you're alive and well, that's enough for me.
She's my mother. That's why she cared so much about me. That's why she felt so familiar. And that's why she worried whether I could leave safely.
Mom.
I thought Red Claw was already pathetic enough. Turns out there's more surprise! And you, a poor thing who doesn't even have a wolf. Marshal, what is he, a proof for your wife's affair with a human?
Beat me first then! No! Mom, you will die!
Burn your wolf spirit? Since you're so eager to die, then all of you will die together.
Your whole Red Claw pack will be buried with you!